What are the differences between electric turret and hydraulic turret? 1. Electric turret. The electric turret is driven by an electric motor, which can make a rapid tool change and automation of the cutting process. It usually uses a motor as a power source to drive the tool holder to move and facilitate the replacement of different tools. The electric tool holder has advantages of simple operation, rapid change of position, and high positioning accuracy. It is suitable for actions where cutting tools need to be replaced frequently. 2. Hydraulic turret. The hydraulic turret uses a hydraulic cylinder to provide power. It can achieve greater force transmission and stable motion control through hydraulic pressure, making the grabbing and fixing of the tool more solid and reliable. The hydraulic tool holder has the advantages of strong load-bearing capacity, good rigidity, and high stability, and is suitable for machining process with high cutting load requirements.